The marker options within an Excel chart, it enables you to add different marker types or shapes on your chart, right, to distinguish a data series or its individual data points, right? So you can see in this chart over here, it's pretty cool because you see this dots over here. This is done by the marker options. Okay, so we have our sales numbers over here, and we're going to be creating this chart and then modify the marker options. Okay, so we will just need to play around with different marker styles and combinations, right, to get your desired result. But we're going to be having a lot of fun with this. So let me just select the chart. Let me just delete this, and let's highlight, right, this one, and let's just go to insert recommended charts. Let's go to all charts, and let's select the line chart over here. Okay, that's looking good. Let's enlarge this a bit, and then here's what we'll do. So select on the series, right, and then just right click on it, and you could just go to format data series. Okay, and then let's look for the marker options over here, and let's go to built-in. Okay, and now you can change the marker options to what you want. So let's make it bigger. So I'm changing the size now, right? Okay, and then you can also change the fill if you prefer a different color. There's even a variable colors by point, right? Okay, let's just do this. Let me select color red, right? You can see that it got changed. Let's say, let me just select this again. Let's go to marker, and then what we'll do is let's go to built-in. Let's make this, let's say, give it a size of 15. It's gonna be a lot bigger now. There you go. Okay, so you can just change it to any combination that you want for your markers.